Hello students, I hope you're all doing well. Today we are starting the question number 8 of exercise number 10b, and in the figure you can see that there's a triangle ABC in which PQ is parallel and to BR, right? And we are given the ratio of the sides. What we are given is that BP ratio PC is equals to 2 ratio 5 and BR ratio RA is equals to 4 ratio 3. Besides that, the area of triangle BCR is also given in the question, which is this triangle BCR, and its area is 98 centimeter square. And you're asked to find the area of triangle ACR and area of triangle CPQ. ACR is this triangle and the second one CPQ is this other triangle right here. So before starting the questions, let's just get through some basics. Look here, I have a triangle ABC, right? In which uh, I have written the base of this ABD as B1 and the base of the other triangle BCD as B2. And if you look here, both of the bases share common height, right? The height of both triangles is common and is same. So if you have any such triangle, what you will do in that case? The area of the ratio of the area of both triangles will be equals to the ratio of their bases. And how do we get that? So look at here, the area of we know the formula for area of any triangle is equals to half into base into height. So I have written that area of triangle ABD, which is this triangle, is equals to half into its base, that is B1, and height, right, over area of triangle BCD, which is this other triangle, would be equals to half into its base, which I have written as B2, and height, that because the height is common in both triangles, so I have written them as H. Now here you can see that half will be cancelled, and likewise height will also be cancelled, and we will get this formula that area of triangles, area of ratio of areas of triangle will be equals to the ratio of bases of those triangles. और ये सिर्फ तब एप्लीकेबल होगा जब दो ऐसे ट्राइंगल्स हों जिनकी एक हाइट जो है वो कॉमन है, फिर हम ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे. अब अगर हम अपनी क्वेश्चन में जो गिवन ट्राइंगल है उसे चेक करें, तो इन दिस केस इफ़ आई लुक एट द ट्राइंगल RAC and triangle RCB, so both of these triangles are sharing this common height RC, which is RC, right? So I can apply this formula over this triangle, over these two triangles. So I can write that area of triangle ACR over area of triangle BCR or RCB is equals to what? Ratio of their bases, which is equals to the ratio of their bases B1 over B2. ACR's ratio is this 3, so I write it as B1, this one, and the ratio of triangle BCR is equals to 4. So I can write, and in the question you are also given the area of triangle BCR, which is equals to 98 centimeter square. So what I'm gonna do, I'll put these values here and I'll get area of triangle ACR Our area of triangle BCR is 98, B1 is 3 and B2 is 4, right? So area of triangle ACR will be equals to 3 over 4 into 98, which comes out to be, on solving, 73.5 centimeter square. Now the next thing, we have just found the area of triangle ACR, right? So we did the first part. Second part is to find the area of triangle CPQ, which is this triangle. Now CPQ, right? If we look at these two triangles, if I compare it with this whole triangle, then I can see that BRC and PQC, these are two similar triangles. Similar triangles are those which have same shape, right? But it's not necessary that their sides are equal, right? So I can say that these two triangles are similar, and in this case I can't use this formula, right? Because I told you, I mentioned earlier कि ये सिर्फ तब एप्लीकेबल होगा जब हमारे पास तो ऐसी ट्राइंगल्स हों जिनकी हाइट कॉमन हो, विच शेयर अ कॉमन हाइट, ठीक है, विच इज़ नॉट द केस हियर. क्योंकि अगर मैं हाइट फाइंड करती हूँ तो इस ट्राइंगल पी क्यू सी की हाइट क्या होगी? वी ऑलवेज ड्रॉ द हाइट फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स, and if for this one, so both have different heights, right? So here I will use the formula that we used in the previous question of this exercise, that if we have two similar shapes, so the ratio for two similar shapes, the ratio of area A1 over A2 is equals to the ratio of lengths. So I will use this formula to find the area of triangle CPQ. So I can write that area of triangle CPQ over area of triangle BCR is equals to the ratio of their lengths. What is the L1? L1 for CPQ is 5, and for BCR, it's not 2, it's 2 plus 5, that is 7, and it's square, which is equals to 5 over 7 square. So here I have the area of triangle BCR, which is 98. So I'll substitute this value over here. Area of triangle CPQ over 98 is equals to 5 square is 25 and 7 square 49, and on solving I'll get area of triangle CPQ as 25 over 49 multiplied by 98, which comes out to be 50 centimeter square. So that's all we need to find in this question.